Assalamu alaikum. My name is szwrites and today I am explaining three hadiths. Hadith number 1 is Al Jannatu Tahtu Aqdam al Mahmat, meaning the paradise lies beneath the feet of mother, यानी माँ के कदमों तले जन्नत है. You should give these people the respect they deserve. They are the one who rise who rise the next generation of pupil. Now I am explaining hadith number 2. As-sawmu jannata, yani fasting is a shield or a screen or a shelter, mean that is something that screen and protect you from evil action and protect you from hellfire. This hadith suggests that the fasting person is required to guard his fast by adopting good habit. Now I am explaining hadith number 3. Samanul Jannada la ilaha illallah, yani the price of paradise is la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, and the price of blessing being Alhamdulillah, one of the most precious dhikr, which in return will be caused to gain trees in paradise, and this is the most beautiful dua ever. I hope you all are understand this. Jazakallah.